Hello, my name is Simon. I'm going to show you some of the instructional and information videos that were created by Mr. Mark Bradley. Mark has over 15 years experience as a technical writer, trainer, and instructional designer.
I programmed all of the avatars in this presentation using SitePal software. I scripted audio and selected the background as well.
Video example was created using a software combination of Camtasia, Captivate.
Thank you, Carla. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Steven. The next video example created by Mark Bradley was made for
From November 2016 to January 2017, I was part of Cardinal Health's training and e-learning team. I created engaging learning activities and compelling course content from the PowerPoints, the screen captures that the SMEs had made, and then I worked closely with the SMEs in order to be able to make sure that all of the information in each of the slides was accurate and according to the standards that they had set. Then you had options when it finally created. I had let me practice or either show me. It could either be one or the other. And there's always a drop-down list that gave the user the option to be able to see any slide or to go to any section that they're interested in. And this is the rough draft. It is not the final, because the final was going to be put into a Captivate format. So this was the basic training schedule, and each one of the descriptions, the points of where to click, what to do, how to be able to put the information in. Some of them were very lengthy, some were shorter than others.
Welcome to Payment Advantage, online resources complete solution for managing your customer's experience throughout the electronic billing and payment lifecycle. Since 1989, Online Resources has powered financial interactions between financial institutions, biller clients, and millions of consumers. Online Resources has also made significant investments to ensure that industry, regulatory, and security compliance standards are continuously met, so that you can focus on your core business. Available as a standalone suite or as part of Online Resources services billers directly by providing solutions that ultimately obtain payments faster and help to cultivate intimate customer.
Welcome to Honda's
To specify and update financial health data, perform the following steps.
To access the key financial information screen, log in using admin rights. From the Search Edit Supplier screen, enter the supplier name in the supplier name field or any other applicable field and click the refresh button. The supplier records are displayed and you can click the supplier number hyperlink. The supplier basic information screen is displayed. Select the Company Details tab. The Company Basic Information tab defaults. Select the Key Financial Information tab.
When you click on the refresh button, without selecting or entering data from at least one of the filters, you will see an alert message stating one of the fields is mandatory to allow search. Click OK and then select one of the fields. To perform a search, click the Role drop-down arrow. For this example, we will choose the CMS Capacity Check role. Additional filters are displayed that show characteristics unique to the roles that are indicated. In this case, the CMS capacity.
Part of my responsibilities was helping to create the RoboHelp.
Thank you, Stephen. Hello there, everyone. I'm Sharon. Next, we have a brief RoboHelp video describing how Mark participated in creating online help documentation. Mark, please explain to the audience what you did.
First, this was the general structure of our help, and you can see that there are instructional segments to each part of this. First, when you click on the help, you'll see the help topic appears, and in the abbreviations, if you click on the abbreviations, the entire meaning of the word is displayed. And as part of the instruction and the examples, as you can see here, if you wanted to find out what this actually was, it will show a drop down. At Nationwide, my responsibility was a cybersecurity technical writer, and one of the projects I worked with was called PCRE, which means Plural Regular Expressions, which is a mathematical calculation in order to be able to understand how the bad guys get in and what they're doing, describing each one of these sections as well in order to be able to develop a understanding for regular people, quote unquote, those who were not as keen about the different information, keeping standards, so using IBM QRadar and also activity log. In the activity log is when you realize.
We are almost finished with Mark's demonstration, so please be patient for a few.
At Keithley Instruments, it was my responsibility to create and edit a 400-page user manual, which was originally a 1,500-page document. I would suggest that anyone looking through this section, they may want to skim through and scan through according to their discretion. It's a lot of information, but I believe anyone who sees this will understand that I'm certainly capable of creating very complex documentation, technical documentation, very specific to a high degree of usability.
Because of the length of this section, we suggest that you scan through it at your discretion.
Thank you, Mark, for that explanation. That should give our audience a feel for the type of online CPT and web training you are capable of creating. If you want to get in touch with Mark, you can email him at mark@bradleyconsulting.com or call his business phone at 614-800-8633. Again, that's 614-800-8633. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time and consideration. Have a great day.